Hello friends, welcome back to yet another session. In today's session, we are going to see productivity hacks of advanced Excel. So would you like to do more in less time? You want to work very effectively and efficiently in Excel? You want to be more smarter working in Excel? And this is the session for that. Right? In case if you wish to become more smarter user in Excel, or let's say an advanced, you want to become an advanced user in Excel, and this is the session for you. We are going to see a lot of shortcuts and tips how to use Excel more effectively. So what is that you would get becoming an expert? You can save a lot of time. You can do a lot of things, right? You can do it very, very quickly, right? So we are going to see such, important things in today's session, right? So let's begin. Before we begin, let's understand what do you mean by customizing ribbon or creating quick access toolbar in Excel. So customizing ribbon. So let's see this one. If you have a myth that Excel tools like file, home, insert, draw, data, these all standard. If you have that myth that is all standard and we cannot make any correction, you are wrong basically, right? So the reason being these ribbons like the tabs which you are seeing here, the draw, page layout, formulas, and data and review are or let's say can be changed as per your convenience. So nothing is permanent in Excel. This can be customized. Let's see how to customize a ribbon in Excel, right? So you could see a file, insert, home, draw, right? These are the tabs which are available. If you believe that these are, if you believe the myth that these are defaults, okay, cannot be changed, right? It is not correct. We can make changes to the customized ribbon options where we can bring in your own tabs for a quick reference, right? In case if you want to keep certain functions which you use frequently under one tab, you can create your own tab in Excel, right? You have file, you have option more. In that you can go to options, wherein you can say customize ribbon, and then you can click somewhere here, right? You can say new tab. Okay, I just created a tab here, new tab, and I'm just renaming it with my name. So this is a new tab I have included here. So which you could find here in this place, you could find a new tab. Once I give OK, you can find my name is written on the top, right? Now at present, I don't have any, the tools under this tab. Now what I can do, I can just, straight away I can add, I can go to the option, more options, and add certain functions which I use it frequently. Like now I have selected Arun. Now, what are the things I use frequently? Maybe I will be using a short command to create, or let's say I'll be using custom sort is something I use regularly. So custom sort, I'm bringing it down, and then I use formatting cells. Okay, I use filter. Whatever you think you use it frequently. Okay, save option or whatever, like you are bringing it under one tab, right? You can bring it to some option. So I'm just bringing all those things under one tab and giving OK, right? What happens? You can find under my name what are the things I use frequently are coming under, right? What's great about it? And now, if you want to use it, you can easily locate the functions which you use frequently. You can just go to the tab and you can use it instead of searching the functions, or let's say the tools, right? Instead of searching for it under tab, you can have your own dedicated tab for accessing those functions, right? That is one thing. Second, in case we want to use a shortcut, if I want to use a shortcut, do I need to remember the all shortcuts in Excel? If somebody made you to believe that you have to remember all the shortcuts in Excel before you using shortcuts, then it is wrong, right? Not necessary, right? All you have to do is just press Alt. It will tell you, or it will show you the letters which you need to, consider as a shortcut format. Now, when I pressed Alt, okay, now I got these values. Now, assume that I already know that sorting is there in data, okay, which is data is A. So what I do is I'll just press Alt. So this will come, and then I'll press A, right? And then I'll press SA for sorting. Now it has been sorted. You could find it has been sorted, right? From the employee name, it has been sorted. See, earlier it was like this. What did I do? I pressed Alt, I pressed A, which is data. Then I pressed SA, which is for sorting. Here it is, SA. I just press SA, it becomes immediately sorted. Right? You don't need to use a mouse every time. So by doing that, you can reduce the amount of time you use in Excel. You can significantly reduce it. So that is why I'm giving you shortcuts like this. You don't need to remember these shortcuts. All you have to do is press Alt, and then system will tell you, show you the options. Then you press A. Then if it is a sort, you can use this, or if it's a filter, you use T. It becomes a filter. Now you can see a filter is coming, right? You can just select this one and then use, uh, you know, Alt, and then you can use A, and filter is T. So Alt AT is the filter. So again, if you press Alt AT, filter will be removed. Very short, easy to remember, right? So all you have to do is press Alt at the beginning. That's a shortcut to access all your shortcuts, right? Fine. So similarly, if you want to sum this value compensation. Let's say I want to count it. So generally, what people do is they just put equal to sum, open the bracket, and then select the last value. Okay, this will take a lot of time. Don't do all these things. It's a very old method of calculating sum. Right? All you have to do is once you have the file, once you have the data set, all you have to do is just press Alt equal to. Simple Alt equal to will give you the sum. You don't need to put equal to sum, all those stuff, right? It's very old way of doing things, right? You're getting my point. So like this you can do. Or if you want to if you want to give a user an option to choose their own functions like sum, max, minimum, standard deviation, all those stuff, you are going to give the end user, the person who is going to see the report, all the options where they can choose and review the results. Then you can just select the data set, go to insert table, give OK. What happens? It will come like this, right? Once it comes, immediately you just give total row, tick on total row. So what happened? It will give you the list for the user. If they want to do whatever they want to do with this data set, they can do it. Now, if they want to see the count, they can see the count. If they want to see, in this case, it's a text value. So you can only count, right? You can't do much about it. So now in this case, compensation, they can do everything. If they want to see the average salary, they can select the average. So it gives you the average salary of 49,256, right? Similarly, they can see the maximum value, who is getting the maximum salary. They'll get the value, absolute value. Later they can locate who has received it, right? Similarly, they can see the sum value, much more. You could find many other things like standard deviation, what is the variance, standard variations, all those stuff you can see through data table. All you have done here is just selected the table, insert table. That's it. So the user will get this option, select and see the differences, right? The values, the aggregators. Basically, these are the aggregators, right? Now, coming back here, so now you know how to create a table, you know how to use a basic sum function. You also know how to create a customized ribbon where you can have your own tab under which you can keep your shortcuts, or you can also have a quick access toolbar. What do you mean by quick access toolbar? In this case, we have something like save, like this. You have a lot of options here, right? These are quick access toolbar which have been kept already. So what did I do? If I press Alt, sorry, if I press Alt, you can see numbers on the top, 1, 2, 3 kind of thing. Instead of letters, we have kept numbers. So these numbers are quick access toolbar, which is if I press 1, After pressing Alt, one is save. This entire data will get saved. So how did you get it? You can also have your own shortcuts on the top with numbers. Numbers easy to remember. You can sequence it in such a way that it is easy for the user to remember. So file, and then go to more options. In that, just go to quick access toolbar. You select, see right now I have save, undo, redo. Now you can have charts as the fourth option. Is number 4, all chart types. And you can keep anything you wish to keep, like let's say some of the values, add many other things, whatever you wanted to, you bring it, so that next time when you want to do some activity on this one, okay, you have to press this alt. So it will give you the 1 2 3, like it is given like this. I can use whatever I want. Like if I want to build a chart, I can just press 4. It will give me the chart option. I don't need to remember the shortcut for graph. I can bring it under quick access toolbars. Such an easy thing to do. If you are using Excel day in day out, you can save a lot of time bringing all those things under quick access toolbar. I hope you understood these basic concepts, right? Like this, we have many more shortcuts which we are going to see, right, in the subsequent videos, right? We are going to see a lot of shortcuts like this in the subsequent videos. Please subscribe for this channel. You will get every day, you will get a new video, you know talking about various things. Now we are talking about advanced Excel. Going forward, we are going to talk about Power BI, and a lot of things we are going to discuss about in this channel. So do subscribe, right? So thank you so much. We'll meet you again in the next video.
Hey there, future professionals. Welcome to Employability Plus, the channel where you'll find everything you need to build the skills that get you hired. While we started with advanced Excel, you will soon learn about Power BI, social media management, Google Analytics, sales management, job search strategies, and everything else required to enhance employability. So what are you waiting for? Hop on over and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video from Employability Plus. With just one click, you'll be on your way to leveling up your skills and getting ahead in the job market. Let's make those career dreams come true. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.